Friends, today we will see how we can protect cells in our Excel sheet. So here if you can see, then I have two columns here, A and B, and here I am doing a simple calculation or simple multiplication. So here A, B, I have 50 and 10, and here I have simply calculated a multiplication. So in this video we will see how we can protect these cells and do not let anybody change it with the help of a password. Okay, so for that let me just do it like this. So for that what you will have to do, that let us say that I simply want to, let me correct it. Okay, so let us say that for that purpose I will simply select these cells. Okay, and I will go to review. Fine, and here I will choose protect sheet, and when you select this, then you can see that it asks password to protect sheet. Okay, so you can give any password. So let me give it a test. I am giving it a password test. Okay, and I will click OK. It will ask you to re-enter the password, and I have re-entered the password. Okay, so now uh, let us say that now if I click on this and if I try to make any changes, it will say these cells are protected. Please type the password. Okay, so now let us say you want to remove this particular password or this protection. So again you will have to go to review, unprotect sheet, and then you will have to provide the password again. So do not forget it. Okay, so if I will click OK, and you can see that now I can simply make any changes. So let us say that I will simply go and I can write plus here, and you can see that I'm able to change the cells now. Okay, so that is about this video. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and I will also recommend you to check out my other playlist on Python, R, and many more things. Thank you very much for watching my video.